Hi everybody, Dana Michelle here. Welcome to Carte Cooking Happy Hour. The month of May, we've been using our Vitamix for our happy hours, and today's no different. But today, instead of just doing happy hour for us, we're gonna do happy hour for our fur babies. So we're gonna do DIY dog treats for Brucey Boy and Baby Booties. The ingredients that you are gonna need are as follows. Chicken bones from a whole chicken, 1 cup of blueberries, 3 carrots, 20 fish oil capsules, 15 cosequin tablets, 1/3 cup coconut oil, 4 cups of water, 1/8 teaspoon CBD supplements. The tools that you'll need to make the frozen dog treats are cute little silicone trays for frozen dog treats, a tray to put them on in the freezer, and a spatula to help you scoop them with. Okay, so let's get started with assembling our dog treats. So I always like to start with the chicken bones, and we're actually using the bones from chicken legs. You can use a whole chicken if you have that. The leftovers, we like to eat everything off of it and then save the bones. If you put them in a Ziploc bag and stick them in the freezer, that's also a good option for doing it later if you're not quite ready to make the dog treats. Our blueberries, those are great for antioxidants. Our carrots, I'm gonna break this in half. There we go. Add in our fish oil, our cosequin. We're gonna need our spatula for our coconut oil. There we go. Put that down in there. And our water. Ooh. Oh. Maybe try not to pour it all over the counter. Maybe try and get the water in the Vitamix container. Oops. Hey, at least it wasn't iced on my shirt this time. Okay, let me soak this up real quick. Maybe we'll add a little bit more water for the water that was missing. There we go. Okay, should be about 4 cups. If you have more dense ingredients, feel free to add more water as needed. So this is gonna blend for a little bit, and you'll notice I didn't add in the CBD yet. I will add that in at the end. So we're gonna start this on 1, and yes, you are grinding bones. Your Vitamix is capable of grinding bones, so be confident when you're using your Vitamix. Chicken bones, no problem. All right, and now we'll add our CBD. And we'll blend that in. Perfect. All right, so I like to use these trays. The reason I use this tray in particular is because it fits in my freezer. So for me, this works out really well. If you have a larger space in your freezer, you can use a full cookie sheet. This is just a partial cookie sheet. And I like to use this because I think it actually makes the frozen treats freeze faster. I use this tray also for thawing stuff out of the freezer. It's kind of like a magic tray. So let's get our treats pouring here. This looks fantastic for dog treats. Okay. And the dogs love this. It actually smells like a chicken gravy. We'll pour these in. And sometimes I'll pour and spread. So you can also do that. When the container's really full, sometimes it's easier for me to just kind of pour and then spread the treats like this. Makes it a little easier when it's real full. Okay. And if some gets on the tray, it's not that big a deal. And then what I do is I will put this, oh my, dogs treats for doggies. What I like to do then is I will put the part that I didn't freeze into the refrigerator, and as these freeze, I will pop them out and refill. One last tray. Woo, I got a little overzealous with that one. I think I've kind of made a mess with all of these. All right, first round into the freezer, and you can see we have quite a bit left. So this container with the dog treats will just go right into the freezer, even though I've kind of made a little bit of a mess here. And then these will freeze up, and you'll see what they look like. Guys, well, thank you. Oh, you smell it in the container, don't you? They're freezing, bud. Yeah. He's like, I know what's coming out of that container. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's happy hour, our DIY dog treats for our fur babies. Thank you guys so much. Tune in next Sunday, 3:30 Pacific Standard Time. Oh, and be sure to hit that share and that like button. It helps us in every little bit. See you soon.